Told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark.
We are off to London today. Just looking around. I've never walked down here before. We're just walking to the station, avoiding paying £15 for all-day parking. So we're off to London today. We are going, where are we going first? Madame Tussauds, aren't we? We're going to Madame Tussauds? Yeah, we've got Madame Tussauds at 11:45, and then we've got Rainforest Cafe at 2 o'clock. Yeah. And then we've got a London Eye at 5 o'clock.
Isn't the Rainforest Cafe at Animal Kingdom?
I know, we've got one in London as well, in Piccadilly.
What?
Yeah, it's called Piccadilly. We go under the arch bit. So we're catching the 9:15 from Basingstoke. We've got like 20 minutes till it goes. We're gonna go collect our tickets. I've got a rail card, so this from Basingstoke station up to Waterloo, including all the underground for both of us, cost 40 quid for the day. So I don't think that's too bad. And we get to ride on the trains and the underground. Mate, you used to love the underground when you were a baby.
Still do. Cool.
Still do. Right, come on.
Game on, ladies and gentlemen, now approaching our final stop, London Waterloo.
Right, we all together? Behind the gap. Woo! Yeah. We are.
Banana.
Yeah, there you go. Come on in. We're off at Baker Street, got the underground from Waterloo. So
We
it's
saw a cool looking car.
oh yeah, I've seen some cool cars. It's about 4 stops on the Bakerloo line to Madame Tussauds. So we've got about 9 minutes until our pre-book is open for us to go in. Mason's just having a little snack because he gets up so late, he didn't have any breakfast. So we're having M&M's for breakfast.
I am, not you.
Like you do. It's still Easter, isn't it? You're allowed chocolate for breakfast? Right, we're going to get going in there in a moment.
Enjoying posing for selfies with the fans.
Realistic, isn't it? Me and Hazza. best mates. Two gingers. He's tall, isn't he? This alien escape. I don't think we've not done this bit.
You want to go in this? It's like
There's only pretend aliens. Wow. This is like being on Space Mountain. Oh, cool, look. Oh, wow. Oh, he does, yeah. It's like being back in Universal Studios in the 90s. Oh, it's Shrek and Tink. There's Tinkerbell. Go on then. I don't know. That's Alfred Hitchcock, who used to make all the scary films. It's cool, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's a real family. Here's our English phone boxes for you, for our American viewers. We have still got a few of these up in London and some cities. Oh look, it's like an old street. Oh dear. Look, they've done something a bit wrong.
People have spoken.
Off with his head.
Take a glass castle base and you'll wax it. So all of the heads with spikes, the wax is new, but the moulds are the original death mask that she made in the 27th. She died in 1850 of old age. Basically after the revolution. She inherited the business, went to a home.
Oh, so I didn't know the Spirit of London was open again. Yeah, it's a ride. Yeah. No, it's not a roller coaster or anything. This is London cabs. I didn't actually realise that this was open again because it was closed for quite a long time.
Welcome to the Spirit of London. Going back 400 years.
Oh look, there's a meal. Great Fire of London.
The King of England's baker on it the bread burn.
I don't know. Yeah.
From the ruins of the fire, a new cathedral arose to fill the sky with glory.
That's Lord Nelson. Yeah.
belongings with them. Good night and thank you.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, they got a chocolate fountain here. Wow. Oh, this is the Marvel bit. Marvel Hall of Heroes. Groot. Look, Spider-Man. Do you want to pose with him? Oh yeah. Oh, that's Black Panther, isn't it? So they got the Marvel 4D show. Oh, we're not doing that today, are we? We're gonna head out. Oh, cool. Oh, it's like being Space Mountain. Yeah. It's like we're going to eat in Space 220. On a photo? No? Yeah, turn around like that. There's Vader. Jabba the Hutt. He's one of the bad guys in Star Wars. He eats those. How cool's that? Right. Smile. Mason's got himself a BB-8 pop. Oh yeah, it's great. We've got quite a big merch store here. All Marvel, Star Wars, Marvel? What's that? You taking him out? Mason, you wouldn't make much of a collector. You're meant to keep them in their boxes. Well, BB-8's got a ticket, Mason hasn't.
Oh, well, BB-8's going to be like
Uh-oh. Let's have a look then.
5 guys.
Is there 5 guys? Oh yeah. Come on in. Go on in, pop it through. Go and grab it. Here you go. Thanks, BB-8. So we are heading back on the Piccadilly line and we are going to go to Piccadilly Circus, have a look at the M&M store and probably the Lego store as well. Yeah, about 2 stops and we're going to get off at Piccadilly Circus, and our Rainforest cafe booking is at 2 and it's, what's the time now? It's just gone 12, so it'll give us time to have a look around the M&M store and stuff. Here we are at the famous screens at Piccadilly Circus. Mason's heading to the shops, as always. Huggy Wuggy! Oh yeah! Show us what you got. Goldfish. And again, for our American viewers, these just cost us £6, which is about $9 for a bag of goldfish. That's the price they are over here. Oh, and he also got some confetti cupcake Pop-Tarts.
I want to send these books for you to
So a taste test.
Do you get it?
Is it not open?
I see the goldfish.
Don't drop them.
I'll send you 3 bubbles. Goldfish.
And then nice. So here's our bubble gumps we got in London. Nice, smell that. Wow, look.
I'm dropping your phone.
Let's have a look around then. Salted caramel, brownies. How much are they? Just for price point, does it say? Oh, £20. They're quite steep. Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
I want to try it.
So we've just got a little bag of M&Ms. Careful. We have picked something else up. It's an M&M.
It's got one M&M.
Packet keyring.
It's got an M&M.
For your school bag. You're going to put it on your school bag. Your purchases. Oh, I get the bag, do I? Yeah. Whilst you scoff the M&Ms. Chinatown through there.
Wait, I don't mind. How about we just go?
We're heading down to gonna head down to the Rainforest now. The Rainforest Cafe. Yay! We didn't eat in here when we went to Florida, did we? We're busy going other place. Oh yeah. So the one in London, you go down underground to the restaurant. Oh, you're a parrot, Mace. You're a parrot.
It's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through.
Mason's had the children's meal, which is £15, and he gets a main with a side, a pudding and a drink, and that looks really nice. He's drunk his drink. And I've got the chicken Caesar salad, which smells really good. Your pizza looks really nice, Mace.
They got fucking low.
No, yeah, a bit tight on the on that, aren't they?
going somewhere?
Yeah. So we've made it to the London
Is
Eye.
this like the second tallest?
I don't know actually, mate. I don't know kind of wheel-wise. Wheel-wise how big it is. What do you think of the Rainforest Cafe? Good?
I like the rainbow. No, not rainbow. Lava.
Oh yeah, Mason loves it. My Caesar salad was nice. Oh yeah. And the chicken was really nice in it. So it's not as fancy as the one in Animal Kingdom. Little boy. It's not as fancy as the one in Animal Kingdom. Nowhere near, is it, Mace? As big and fancy. But yes, the food's alright, and the kids love it. So it still has the thunderstorm every 20 minutes. Right, we are at the London Eye. We're going to get on.
It's that time, guys.
Come on then.
Let's go, guys.
Thank you. Right. Yes, Oh, we go to the Lego store. We're getting told off now. We've done everything else. So we just looked online, and the London Eye is actually the same height as the Starflyer. But it seems a lot taller up here. Isn't it, Mace?
Starflyer?
Yeah. No?
I mean, it's just those buildings around.
Yeah, I suppose. But yeah, I can't believe this is the same height as the Starflyer, and we did this on little chairs. Just hung. Bye bye, London Eye. Takes about 25 minutes to get around, I'd say. Doesn't it, Mace?
Mama.
Yeah. Oh, quick. Uh-oh, we nearly had a casualty there. Someone's not concentrating.
Naughty boy running.
Oh, well, nearly home. We're just walking back to the car.
First one to spot. Usain Bolt.
We've been about 8 hours. We got quite a lot done, didn't we, today? Done a lot of things, everything we wanted to get done. So we used
for Lego store.
Oh, Lego store. There was a queue for the Lego store. What did oh yeah, so we used our Merlin annual passes for today. So all the London Eye was free. Madame Tussauds was free.
First one to spot Usain Bolt.
And I took my NHS badge up
First one to spot.
because you get 15% off
one
with
to spot
your
Usain
NHS
Bolt
discount
wins.
in Rainforest Cafe.
Mama.
Oh, we're playing Spot the Car apparently now.
Baby, dance the night away. I let my head down the flight one. Don't you just get